Asuntosykeyhtiö Peter.
Very beautiful way to play this different kind of feta green.
Yeah.
All this kind of it. Today on the what's the date? 30th of July 2023. We have Pietarinkatu, Peterskatu, one stake is C, and only the stake is A left to be filmed here. We all live up with the body. Helsinki has 4 schools in Finland and Finland. And well, I'll just put the bench down so we can sit down. Enjoy the ride. Yeah. December station 1024 was built in 1929, modernized in 1990 with these pictures. Does it say above below from the information?
Yeah.
It's going to be inspected in the next year, 2024. It will be 95 years old. The most ancient turned 30 years old in 2020. It deserves 2 rides here. But the memory is limitless.
Yeah.
But it's still amazing. It feels like I've been for.
Yeah.
But they are the earliest type of evergreen.
Probably.
Before the 95 also version.
Yeah.
And then 96, 97.
Yeah.
And then again do a silent ride here. Actually, second for ride if we can do it. Strange.
Istuttiin paikki väispää, että meidän teet by Kone.
These pictures are really rare because I've only seen them so far in Kone in one building.
Yeah.
Where it was modernized in 1993 and 95
Yeah.
with the same buttons. And this is even earlier, so they must have been used from the early 1990s, right?
Yeah. That's